Today we're going to be looking at a 68 Camaro we did a few years ago. Let's check it out. In this Camaro, we have a big block. It's a 396, 375 horse, advertised. They make a lot more power than that, but they look so good in these old Camaros. Fills up the engine bay, make tons of torque, tons of power. On this Camaro, we've got a really unique color. It's called Butternut Yellow. This car was born this way from the factory, and the owner wanted it back exactly like the factory made it, so we repainted it this butternut yellow color. Turned out awesome. This car has black painted on stripes. I think they look a lot better. Got that smooth look. You don't feel it like a vinyl decal. Really goes well with the look of this car. On this Camaro, we went with factory style 15-inch rally wheel. Period correct looking. I think they look great on these classic restorations. So on a big block car, they painted this taillight panel black. That's a quick identifier of if it's a big block car or not. So in the interior of this car, we went more stock style restoration. Looks very period correct. The interior is from Classic Industries. Got a center console, factory style gauges, wood grain trim. I think it looks excellent. These seats have a unique feature on them. It's called houndstooth, black and white. Kind of gives it a really cool accent for these interiors. So that's the 68 Camaro. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you on the next one.